Hello everyone, I am Ayush Sah and I am the participant of Financial Modeling program. Today I am here to present a company profiler of Walmart Inc. So first, let's have a look on the agenda that we are discussing today. These are the agenda of the company. So first we're gonna look about the company, then their mission and vision. After that, who are the top management of the company, and what was the segment, product and services of the company, and what was the SWOT analysis of the company. At last, we're gonna talk about the fundamentals of the company. So let's have a view on what company is all about. Sam Walton was the founder of the company, and the work cry of the company is save money and live better anytime and anywhere. Walmart Inc. is a people-leading technology powered omnichannel retailer dedicated to help people around the world by providing the opportunity to shop in both retail store and through e-commerce. Through innovation, companies strive to continuously improve a customer-centric experience that seamlessly integrates our e-commerce and retail stores. Each week, companies serve approximately 240 million customers who visited more than 10,500 stores and numerous e-commerce websites in 20 countries. Company stocks are traded in New York Stock Exchange under the symbol of WMT. This is all about the company. Let's have a look what was the mission and vision of the company. The mission of the company is leading on the price and earn the trust of our customer every day by providing service at everyday low price. On other hand, the vision of the company is to make every day easier for busy family and becoming more digital. These are some of the top management of the company. Mr. Douglas, President and Chief Executive Officer and Director of the company. Mr. Gregory, Chairman of the Walmart Inc. Mr. John David, Executive Vice President and Chief Financial Officer of Walmart Inc. Mr. John, President and CEO of Walmart US. Mrs. Catherine, President and CEO of Walmart International. Mr. Chris Nicholas, President and CEO of Sam's Club. Let's move forward and have a look on the segment, product and services of the company. Walmart has three segments. First one is Walmart US, second one is Walmart International, and third one is Sam Club. Let's have a look on Walmart US and let's know what it's all about. Walmart US is one of the largest segment of Walmart and it's operated in US, including in all 50 states, Washington DC and Puerto Rico. Walmart US does primary business in three strategic merchandise. First one is grocery, second one is general merchandise, and third one is health and wellness. These are some product and services of Walmart US. Let's have a look on the net sales that Walmart US achieved this year. These are the net sales of Walmart US and it increased over a period of time. From 2021 to 22, it increased by 2% and from 22 to 23, it surged by 7%. Walmart International is the second largest segment of Walmart and it operates in 19 countries outside the US. As on January 31st, 2023, Walmart International operates through our wholly owned subsidiaries in Canada, Chile, and China, and their majority owned subsidiaries in India as well as Central America and Mexico. Walmart International includes numerous formats divided into two major categories, retail and wholesale. This category consists of many formats including supercenter, supermarket, hypermarket, warehouse club, as well as e-commerce through walmart.com. The net sales of Walmart International decreases over a period of time and it will decreases by 17% from 2021 to 2023. Sam Club is the third largest segment of Walmart. It's operated in 44 states in the US and in Puerto Rico. Sam Club provides membership to the customers. The annual membership fee of the customer is for plus membership they have to pay $110 and for club membership they have to pay only $50. The product and services of Walmart are: Sam Club offers merchandise in the following 5 merchandise categories:
First one is grocery and consumable. Second one is fuel, tobacco and other categories. Third one, home and apparels. Fourth one, health and wellness. And last one is technology, office and entertainment. These are the net sales of SAM Club. It increases by 33% from 2021 to 2023. Now we're gonna see what was the strength of the company, what was the weakness, what the opportunity they have, and what was the threat for the company.
The strength of the company is strong brand recognition, effective supply chain management, diverse revenue stream, economy of scale, strong customer base.
These are some of the weakness of the company, that they are over dependent on the US market. Their employees treatment and working conditions are not good. Limited e-commerce presence, inconsistent customer service and thin margin profit. These are the opportunity of the company. They expand their business globally, e-commercial growth, demand for environmental friendly products, diversification and technological advancement.
These are the threats that company has: intense competition, economic downturn, changing consumer preference. Small scale business are the greatest threat for the company. And last one is employee union.
Now, let's have a look on the fundamentals of the company. These are the net sales and the profit margin of the company. Net sales are increasing over a period of time, but the profit margin is decreasing because their expenses are also increasing over a period of time. Now, these are the total assets, liabilities and equities of the company. Their assets are decreasing over a period of time, but their liabilities are almost same. But their shareholder equity increased in 2022, but then decline in 2023. It means company will buy back their share from the market. Cash flow statement of the company. In 2021, their cash flow will be in positive, but in 2023, it will decreases by 159%. This indicates that after accounting for operational expense and capital expenditure, there is not a lot of cash left over. These are the free cash flow of the company. As we see on the screen, free cash flow of the firm and equity will be decreasing over a period of time. This point directly shows that company has insufficient cash for paying their long-term borrowing. As per fundamental, we can say that company has a possible risk in future. Now, this is the trading profile of Walmart Inc. Their market cap will be $41.21 billion. Their PB ratio is 5.2, their PE ratio is 25.2, their dividend yield is 1.50%, their ROE is 21.20%. As we see, the company will be growing by 5% within a year, but from last 6 months it will be decreases by 3%. Now let's have a look at the future projection of the company, where we gonna know about the future performance of the company. These are the expected net sales and net income of the company as per the market estimate. These are the free cash flow of the company from 2024 to 2026. At last, it is a price normalization sheet in which we are able to find the support and resistance level. The current market price of company is right now 160.63, and our first support level is 156, and the second is 143.65, and the resistance level is 180.33, and the second resistance level is 190.31. Thank you for your time. This video is only for education purpose.